Hi there, I'm Dr. Bodner with the Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Today I wanted to go over some tricks that might help you minimize your pain. Now, obviously, if you're having some back pain, we'd like to get you into the clinic, figure out what's going wrong, and get you going with a path that gets it resolved. But in the meantime, if the pain is getting in your way or stopping you from moving around, that can be uncomfortable. So, how do we do different things? Getting up and down, rolling over in bed without aggravating the pain and making it worse. So, one of the things we want to try and do is minimize the movements of your back in the directions that cause the pain. So if hunching forwards or arching backwards causes more pain, can you get up and down without doing that? So generally, if you can keep your back in a fairly stable position without bending forwards too far, arching backwards too far, you can get yourself up and down just using your leg muscles. So rather than getting up and then prying ourselves upright, if you can put your hands either on your knees or on the sides of the chair, get your feet underneath you so that you keep your chest upright as you come up. So rather than, say, hunching forward and coming up where my back rounds, if I keep my head upright and I come up, maintaining that nice curve in my back, maintaining that position in my back without letting myself roll out or round my back. That can be helpful when you're getting up and down. Now, if I wanted to lie down, and this is pretty narrow, but if I wanted to lie down, rather than going straight back, where that can cause some compression in the back, what we can do is go down sideways. So if I'm sitting here, I can put an arm down and I can just slowly take the weight with my arms and bring my legs up. So I'm not dropping down into the bed or onto the couch. Okay. From here, the same thing to get up. If I drop my legs out in front, I can push off with my hand and slowly pivot myself upright, but my back is staying fairly still in that process. It's just hinging its way up rather than bending.